Hi guys, so finally the calls are out for IIM Ahmedabad. I wanted to start with the college ka photo. Normally I do that. I start with the campus ka photo, but for IIM Ahmedabad, logo itself is enough. So we're launching our workshops, and the GDPI workshops are going to be free for the people who got the call from IIM ABC. In the description box, I given the link. Please register. So we are going to take care of all the PI skills, everything. Apart from that, we're going to have 10 workshops for finance, 10 workshops for marketing, yeah, for all the students who are going for that. Because before we go for the interview, you should be prepared for everything. We are going to have a SOP writing workshop. We're going to check SOP for everybody. Yeah, those who are going to be in the workshop, because I'm Bangalore is going to have a SOP. Fine. Apart from this, all the dedicated, we are going to have a dedicated staff to check out all your strength, weakness, hobbies, which folder you are going to carry. So everything we're going to take care of. It's all free for the people who have got the call from ABC. In the description box, I given the link where you can join this program. Yeah, for those who've got not got the call from IIM Ahmedabad, the fees for them is going to be 2,000 rupees. For ABC call, the fees is free. Just register here, so my team will contact you, and they will verify your details for your call, and then we'll give you the login ID password for that and add you to the group which we have for the paid students. And this gives the opportunity to talk about the college as well. So today we look at the placement report. Today we look at the batch profile, everything about IIM Ahmedabad. Look at the batch profile of the college. 36% of the students are from IITs, 13% are from NIT and BITS, 25% are from the other engineering college. Now, two things here. Number one, they've started using the name IIT and IIM so that they can prove. So they are also looking at the brand names. So from IITs, NITs, SRCC, all the top colleges, so they are kind of recognizing you. That's the advantage you have. But on the other hand, this is a sad thing as well that this means they will give you a little bit brownie points in the interview. अरे तुम एनआईटी से हो तुम आईटी से हो आजा भाई तू तो आजा अदर लेकिन गुड थिंग फॉर अदर इज भाई 25% अदर भी है 36% if they're from ITs 25% are from other as well commerce 16% science and others 5 so total 5 5 10 so total 26% of the batch is non-engineers and still 74% of the batch is engineers. Okay, so that's the number one point which I wanted to make home. Same way, if I look at the work experience, 39% of the batch is freshers, 0 to 2 years of work ex, 42%, and 19% of batch have more than 2 years of work ex. अब देखो बताओ यार जो लोग आके बोलते हैं कि कोरा पे जाओ ना, you will find all these things in कोरा. All these फालतू का things are there on कोरा. मेरा IIM Ahmedabad, I couldn't convert IIM Ahmedabad because I was a fresher. मस्त पे के anonymous करके post डाल दिया. 39% of batch, almost 40% of batch is freshers. Out of 400 people, 160 students are there. तो भाई तू क्यों नहीं गया उसमें? Don't put the blame on that. तुम्हारी गलती भी है. दुनिया तो गलत है ही है. Everybody is against you. ठीक है, but तुम्हारी गलती भी है. Okay. Same way, more than 2 years of work ex, 19% of the batch have more than 2 years of work ex. So if you claim कि you couldn't convert because you have more work ex, भाई ये भी तो निकला है. नहीं वो तो बहुत स्मार्ट है तो तू भी स्मार्ट बन जा यार. Why are you blaming others? Okay. So if you look at the function wise where they have got the job from the student, so this is official report here, so we have to trust the report. Business development, 3 people have got the job. Consulting 146. Now, Bangalore is number one for consulting with approximately 151 to 160 offers. So if they are at 151, we are at IIM A is at 146, which is almost same only. But ऐसा नहीं कि IIM B is number one for consulting, तो A है ही नहीं, A भी है वहीं पर ही है. 51 in finance, general management 39, marketing and sales 55, operations 3, product management 43. So total, this is where the people have got the offers. And moving to the location wise, international placements, Dubai 4, 2 Hong Kong, 3 Singapore, Dubai 4 again, or Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, 19 people have got a placement, and remaining 369 people have got the placement in India. This is the location they have. Highest number of people are placed in Mumbai, most probably. Yes, Mumbai, 81, 30 in Gurugram, Bangalore 31, and Delhi 12. Okay. And these are the people who have not yet decided where they're going to place. Pan India, Pune 13, Pan India 71. and to be decided 91. Very few colleges have guts to show their lowest salary as well. So IIM Ahmedabad is one of them. So let's look at the maximum earning potential of the college. Now this is not the salary, this is a CTC, cost to company. So maximum earning potential, there's a fixed salary, there's a one-time cash payment, there's a guaranteed component, and the maximum earning potential. There's a minimum and maximum. So minimum is 12.4 lakhs, yeah, guaranteed component, and highest is 45 lakhs. So that's a range what we have from IIM Ahmedabad point of view. Yeah. If we add the one-time payment as well, 16 to 55 lakh, that is a range. ठीक है, अभी इसका बोलेगे अरे यार 12 लाख मिलेगा 25 लाख डालने के बाद, तो भाई तुम कमाओ ना 45 lakhs. If same college, same professor, same everybody, one person getting 45 lakh, one person getting 12 lakh, तो भाई वो बंदे की भी गलती है. You can't only blame the college about that. पब्लिक कोरा में जाके देखो यार, people are giving गालियां to IIM अहमदाबाद, बेकार है, ये है वो है, मेरे दोस्त को 8 लाख का जॉब लगा, 12 लाख का जॉब लगा. तो भाई तेरा दोस्त क्यूट था तो हम क्यों करें, हम क्या करें, तेरा दोस्त ही क्यूट था. इफ यू कैनॉट बी इन दिस रेंज, व्हाई आर यू ब्लेमिंग आउट दैट. ठीक है. सो दिस अ मेन प्रॉब्लम. मीडियन इज 22.5 lakhs, मीन इज 22.8 lakhs. 22.8 लाख का एवरेज पैकेज है. If you add all the other thing as well, 26 lakh is a package which they are claiming. So there are bound to be students who are above 26 lakh. There are bound to be students who are below 26 lakh as well. तुम किसको देखते हो, तुम किस रेंज में आते हो, तुम अपनी बात करो. Fine. Same way from the international point of view, $180,000 is the maximum where they got, and minimum is $42,000. Now come the main point of the fees. Yeah, if you are earning 26 lakh a package, fees is also going to be around 24 lakhs. So I'm A, B, whichever most of the main IIMs and a fees have cost to 20 lakhs, but it's worth it. Number one, you're going to the top brand name college. Fine. Number one point. Number two point is you're ready for life. Number two point is your ROI is still more, yeah. You're still going to earn more than that, and most of you will be abroad. If you want to go abroad, it's not compulsory. Within 2 years का time, most of you will be abroad. That's my promise to you. ठीक है, provided you do well the company. वहां जाके तुम अपने मैनेजर को थप्पड़ मार के आओगे तो तुम्हें कोई बाहर नहीं भेजेगा. Provided you do well, of course, you do good in the company, do average in the company, you're still going abroad. Now, cutoff for the college is not yet out because we'll come to know, we'll do some analysis, we'll come to know that. But as of now, I can tell you for the general engineer male, for the GEM candidate, 99.6 percentile is the good number plus to get the call. For other non-engineer, general non-engineer, 99 percentile plus, you can get the call easily. For OBC, the cutoff will be around 97. Again, this is plus minus some percentile because of your graduation, 10, 12 graduation marks. For SC/ST, it will be around 90 percentile. For EWS, again 97 to 95 percentile. Now, Master CCET result is out, and Master CET में EWS cutoff has drastically gone up. So I'm assuming this year EWS cutoff can also go up, can go up to 99. We'll come to know that soon once I'll get the numbers. All right.